am really a big fan of KYP because I saw the change myself. I won't talk for others. I was a student, right now I am a learner facilitator, and I see this as an opportunity for whoever who is trying to score big in life. This is not where your life ends, but this is where your life starts. After learning the information technology knowledge and everything, you will see that when you will join your college or maybe you will get a job, you will see that how important these skills are. Hello everyone, I am Vaishnav Kripal, a learner facilitator at Akriti Samajik Sansthan. I am doing my graduation from Nalanda Open University. I am a third year student in Bachelor of Arts from Political Science. And around 2 years ago, I got to know about KYP from a friend who already did this course, and she said that this is a really beneficial course for students who cannot get IT education and English education on their own. So Bihar Sarkar made a specially curated course for students who don't have financial aid to learn other courses on their own. So I did this course from Akriti Samajik Sansthan. It was a really good experience. I got to learn so many things. I learned Microsoft Office, all the apps that include, and I also got to learn some communication skills and social skills. And after I did my KYP from here, I didn't get my job right away. Around after a year, I got a call that if you're interested, you can come here and join. So I came here, I gave the exam, the LF exam, and I got selected. And as a LF, I really liked the experience because I got to know how to tackle senior level students. I take classes, I manage the lab, and it is a really good experience even as a student and also as an LF, and one should must do this course. There is no cons of this course, there are only pros, and I really love the experience. After I did KYP, the major change I felt in myself was a confidence boost because we got everyday classes for communication skills, and we also learned how to present ourselves in interviews. So that was a big change, and I also learned some editing on some bigger apps that I couldn't learn by myself. And I also did I won't call it a small business, but I did small gigs around. I made animated wedding videos. That was a good thing. That got me a little money and also got me some experience on how to do the things by myself and how can I open a small business. So I got these ideas from here. After doing this course, in myself, I felt I can do stuffs by myself. I can apply for a job, or I can start my own small business, or even if not that, I felt that even in my higher studies, it is helping me on a big scale. Because in order to learn these communication skills or everything, I would have joined some other class. But here in KYP, we are getting all these things without spending any money. That is the biggest thing. Because in Bihar, money is a big problem. And here we don't have to spend a single penny. But if we will go to any other private institute, it will at least take 5,000 rupees. So that is a big thing. That makes us believe that we can also do things without any financial aid, or we don't have to depend on someone else for the money. We will learn without spending money and we will do better in our field. When I did KYP, I felt it by myself because there was a discipline. My batch was in 6 a.m. morning. So we were here around 5:55. So first thing, we got disciplined for time. Secondly, we did our IT class. After that, we came to the lab, doing our lab by ourselves, making our projects, presenting it in the class. There we got a good amount of confidence after presenting in front of other students. So as we know, KYP can be done after doing their matriculation. But life doesn't stop at matriculation. There's intermediate, there is colleges, and most probably you will go out of the state and you will have to fit in between other people. So there you need confidence, there you need skills, because it doesn't matter how much knowledge you have. At the end of the day, you need skill. It won't matter that who won which war, who did this, who did that. You need skill to get a job. So if you don't have a skill, all these knowledge is almost useless. All these degrees, all this everything, you need skill, and KYP provides the most important two skills. First is understanding information technology, and the other is understanding communication skills. And with this course, you can get a entry level job, and you can also excel in your own life, because it's not like everybody wants to get a job. Some want to do this and go learn some other things. Like, we can take an example, like someone doesn't know how to operate a computer. They can do KYP and get the basic knowledge, and then after that they can learn some computer language, or they can understand if they are interested in taking computer languages. So it gives you a introduction to how to take good care of like their own selves, everything. I guess it's a good combination of skills to introduce you to the working environment. Actually, being an LF, I have seen many girl students like change in a really good way. When they were really new here, they didn't know how to start the computer. They didn't know what is a CPU. They didn't know what is desktop, what is laptop. They didn't know anything. But when they complete their course, you can see a visible change. You can see that they know how to make presentations, how to, like, small things, tiny little things like applying a song over a presentation. These things, they didn't even know what is a computer, and coming from there to knowing how to do everything that they need to do, that is a really big thing. Because even in like very rural areas, there are KYP centers, and this is a big thing, because any institute that is a private institute will open their institute in a bigger scale city to get more benefit, but this is truly to benefit the students. That's why we have centers all over all the cities, all the villages, and that benefits all the type of students that need this. I can't name a girl, but there are always students who are really benefiting from this course, and either they got a job after this. Like, there are so many students who got entry level jobs in some digital marketing kind of, like, small jobs, entry level jobs as a teacher, or even as other LFs. There are so many LFs who have done KYP themselves, then they became LF. You can see me as an example. I am earning by myself, and I take care of all my educational finance. I don't take any money from my parents, and it's a really big help to them and to myself too. Like, if I wouldn't have got to know about this course, I wouldn't have done it, I wouldn't have got this job, I wouldn't get this money. So if you do KYP, even if you don't get a job, this is not like you have to get a job, but the thing is, if you do KYP, you will see the change. आप कोई भी कोर्स कर लेते हैं, इट डजेंट मैटर कि आपको एम्प्लॉयमेंट मिलेगी कि नहीं. देयर आर IITians जिनको जॉब नहीं मिल रही है, तो यू कैंट एक्सपेक्ट कि KYP करने वाले को जॉब मिल ही जाएगी. बट इफ यू आर हार्ड वर्किंग इनफ, if you know how to use your skills, like, see, there are so many students who love to sing. KYP का हम मैटर ही हटा देते हैं, तो वो सिंगिंग करके सिखा सकते हैं, वीडियोस बना सकते हैं. Suppose someone is really interested in making presentations, so अभी के टाइम में you can make video presentations for others. You can help them with that. You can earn a little money. If you are really good at your communication skills, you can be a teacher. You have to cash your own skills. You cannot blame others that why we are not getting jobs. This is totally on yourself, that if you'll get a job or not. Thank you to Bihar government, thank you to BSTM, and thank you to the team that today came here for this visit. And thank you to the students who are believing in ourselves and doing the big change for our state. Thank you.